Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel.
Hello everyone, so this is the second video from the chapter logarithms, and here I am going to solve exercise 9.2. Now before I am going to solve this exercise, first we have to know some formulas. So here the first one is log with base a m into n. Okay, that is the product law. Now in the product law in logarithm, that will be if m into n, then it will be log m plus log n. Okay, if there is multiplication, then there will be addition. Now the divide or quotient law. So here log a m by n, that will be log m minus n. For multiplication it will be plus, for division it will be subtraction or subtract. So here log with base a m to the power n, here m to the power n. So the power will be here, so n log a m. Okay, n log with base a m. That means if here log square, log a square, then it will be 2 log a. If here log a to the power 5, then it will be 5 log a. Now the next one log a m, that will be log m by log a. Okay, log a m, that will be here, a will be base, so m, that will be log m by log a. And the last one is log a b with base b, that will be 1 by log a b. Now the a will be the base. Okay, if here log base b with a, then it will be 1 by log a b. Now here exercise 9.2, and here the first problem. Number 1, simplify the following. First one is log a cube minus log a square. Okay, so by the formula of this power formula, so here log a cube means 3 log a, then minus log a square, that means 2 log a. Now 3 log a minus 2 log a, that will be log a. Number 2, log a cube divided by log a square. Okay, so log a cube means 3 log a, and divided by, then it will be 2 log a. So log a by log a, so that will be 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 is the next answer. Number 3, it's log 4 by log 2. Log 4 by log 2. Now what is the meaning of log 4? 4 means 2 square. 4 means 2 square. So that will be log 2 square 2. Now it will be 2 log 2 by the formula, and here denominator log 2. Log 2 cancel out. So it will be 2. Next one, number 4. In number 4, log 8, second one log 9 divided by log 27. Now log 8 means log 2 to the power cube. Log 9 means 3 square, and here log 27, that means 3 to the power 3. So log 2 to the power cube means 3 log 2. Next one log 3 square. Log 3 square means 2 log 3. Log 3 square means 2 log 3. And here log 3 to the power 3. Log 3 to the power 3 means 3 log 3. So here log 3 cancel out. Here 3 cancel out. Okay, so that equal to 2 log 2. Okay, so that equal to 2 log 2. That means again log 2 square, so it will be log 4. So the final value is log 4. Now 5. So here log 27 divided by log root 3. Okay, now log 27 means log 3 to the power 3, and log root 3 means 3 to the power half. So it will be 3 log 3, and it will be half log 3. So log 3 cancel out. So it will be 3 by half. That means 3 into 2. So that equal to 6. Now next sum number 6. That is the last one. So log 9 minus log 3 by log 27. Log 9 means log 3 square. It will be log 3 and then divided by log 3 to the power 3. So here 2 log 3 minus log 3, and again 3 log 3. Now 2 log 3 minus log 3, that will be log 3, and here 3 log 3. Log 3 cancel out. So it will be 1 by 3. Next one, sum number 2(1). Evaluate the following. So the first one, log 10 divided by cube root 3, 10. Okay, so here log, it will be 10 and divided by 10 to the power 1 by 3. So that means log here 10, as here power is 1, so by the laws of indices it's 1 minus 1 by 3. If there is division, then it will, the power will be subtracted. So log 10 to the power, now 10 to the power here 1 minus 1 by 3 means 2 by 3. So 10 to the power 2 by 3. Okay, so that means here 2 by 3 log 10, 2 by 3 log 10. Now the value of log 10 is always 1. The value of log 10 that equal to always 1. So 2 by 3 into 1 that equal to 2 by 3. Now the next one, sum number 2. 2 plus half log 10 to the power minus 3. 2 plus half log 10 to the power minus 3. So that will be 2 plus half into, now minus 3 will be here into minus 3 and then log 10. Now as you know, value of log 10 equal to 1. So that means 2, and here plus minus minus, so it's 3 by 2. So 2 minus 3 by 2, that will be 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is the answer. Now the third one, sum number 3. In third one, 2 log 5 plus log 8 then minus half log 4. Okay, 2 log 5 plus log 8 then minus half log 4. So here 2 log 5, now that means log 5 square, here log 8, and the last one half log 4, that means log root 4. So first one will be log 25, second one log 8, and third one minus log root 4 means 2. Okay, and you know when there is a when there is a addition, then it will be the multiplication, that means log 25 into 8 then minus log 2, and if there is a subtraction, then it will be division, that means log, so finally 25 into 8 divided by 2, 25 into 8 divided by 2, so it will be 4, that means log 100. Okay, so log 100, now 100 means 10 square, 100 means 10 square, that means log 10 square. Now again 10 square means 2 log 10, 10 square, the power will be here, so 2 log 10, and as you know the value of log 10 equal to 1, so the final value will be 2. As you know the value of log 10 equal to 1, so final value equal to 2. Next one, sum number 4. So here 2 log 10 to the power 3, the 3 will be here, so 2 into 3 it's 6, 6 log 10. Next one, here minus 2 into 3, so it will be minus 6 then log 10. Now next one here 1 by 3, 1 by 3 log 5 to the power minus 3, so 1 by 3 into minus 3 then log 5, and the last one it will be log and half, half means here root 4, that means here 4 to the power half, now 4 to the power half means root 4. So here 6 log 10, log 10 means 1, so it will be 6, here minus 6 log 10, so it will be minus 6, here 3 cancel out, so plus log 5, and the last one log 2. So 6 cancel out, now log 5 plus log 2, that means log 5 into 2, so it will be log 10. Now value of log 10 equal to 1, so final value equal to 1. Sum number 5, 2 log 2 plus log 5 minus half log 36 minus log 1 by 30. Now 2 log 2, okay, so that means log 2 square. Next one log 5, then next one half means root 36, and here log 1 by 30. Okay, so write down log 1 by 30. So the first one will be here log 2 square means log 4, so log 4 plus log 5, log 4 plus log 5, and second one here minus log 6, here minus log 1 by 30. So here log 4 plus log 5, okay, log 4 plus log 5. So write down here log 4 plus log 5, then minus log 10, and here log 1 by 30. Log 1 by 30, that is the formula of log 1 minus log 30. Log 1 by 30, that means log a by b, formula is log a minus log b. So here log 1 minus log 30. So that means log 4 plus log 5, and here minus into minus, that will be plus. So plus log 30. And the second one here log 6, and this one minus, sorry, it will be plus log 1. Okay, so here plus will be separated and minus will be separated. So that will be log, now 4 into 5 into 30, 4 into 5 into 30, as 4 into 5 into 30, and as here subtraction, so it will be here 6 into 1. Okay, for addition there will be multiplication, for subtraction there will be division. So 6 into 1, now 6 into 5, it's 5, so that will be 5, 5, 25, 25 into 4, 100. So log 100, 100 means log 10 square, 10 square means 2 log 10, log 10 value 2, so final value equal to 2, as log 10 equal to 1, so 1 into 2, that equal to 2. Now sum number 6, so here 2 log 5, that means log 5 square, next one log 3, then next one log 2 to the power 3, here log, now half means root 36, so root 36 means 6, and the last one log 10 square. Okay, clear. So first you have to write down one log, and then it's a shortcut method. So whenever here the plus, you have to just multiply this number, as here 5 square, 3 and 2 to the power 3 are all in plus, so 5 square means 25, then 3, and here 2 to the power 3 means 8, as here minus log 6 and also minus log 10 square, so 6 will be here and 10 square means 100. Okay, so when there will be a plus, just write in the numerator with multiplication sign, and when there will be minus, then write this number in the denominator with multiplication sign. Okay, so 3 2, it's 4 4 25, so 25 25, that means that equal to log 1. Now what is the value of log 1? Always it will be 0. Now sum number 7, it's a little bit tough problem, so please listen very carefully. So here the first one will be log 2, and here the 16. Now log a by b, that is the formula of log a minus log b. Okay, listen very carefully. Second one 12, here log a by b, then again 25 minus log 24. Then third one 7 multiply, again log 81 minus log 80. Okay, now log 2, here 16 log 16. Okay, now log 16 means 4 2 to the power 4, log 16 means 2 to the power 4, so here 16 2 to the power 4, then again 16 multiply with this one, so 16 log 15. Now 15 means 5 into 3, 15 means 5 into 3. The next one 12 log 25, log 25 means 5 square, then 12 into this one, so minus 12 log 24. Now 24 means 6 into 4, 24 means 6 into 4. Then the last one 7 log 81, 81 means 9 to the power 2, 81 means 9 to the power 2 or also 3 to the power 4, 81 means 19 to the power 2, 9 to the power 2 or 3 to the power 4, and then minus 7 log 20. Now log 20, okay, log 20, log 80, log 80 means 16 into 5, log 80 means 16 into 5. Clear? Now here log 2 plus, now 4 multiplied with 64, it will be 64, so 64, 4 multiplied with 16, it will be 64, so 64 log 2. After that, as here log 5 into 3, that means log a into b. What is the formula? It's log a plus log b. And as here minus 16, so first one will be log 5, 16 log 5, and as here minus, so plus will be changed into negative, so it will be 16 log 3. The formula here log a into b means log a plus log b, but as here minus, so 16 log 5 minus 16 log 3. Then next one, 2 multiply with this one, 24, so 24 log 5. Then next one, again 12 log 6, as here minus, so plus minus minus, it's 12 log 4. Then last one, 4 into 7, it's 28, 28 log 3, and here 7 log 16, and then minus 7 log 5. 7 log 16 into 7 log 5. Okay, now the next one, here log 2, here also log 2. So 64 and this one 65. So 65 log 2. Clear? Now next, as here this one, 12 log 4. Now log 4 means 2 to the power square, so that means 24. So minus 24 log 2. This one, minus 24 log 2. And here again log 16. Now 16 means 2 to the power 4. 16 means 2 to the power 4. That means 4 into 7. So minus 28 log 2. Minus 28 log 2. Okay. Now clear. Next, sorry, it's 64 and 1. Sorry, it's 65. Yes, okay, 65. Now next one, minus 16 log 5. Minus 16 log 5, and here 7 log 5. So 16 plus 7, it's 23. So 23 log 5. Okay, and here plus 24 log 5. So this one and this one, it's minus 23 log 5. This one plus 24 log 5. So finally plus 1 log 5. Okay, now here minus 16 log 3, here 28 log 3. 16 log 3 and 28 log 3. So 28 minus 16, it will be 2 and is 1, 12. 12 log 3. And here minus 12 log 6. 6 means again 3 into 2. So the next one here, 24 plus 28. Okay, that means 8, 4, 2 and 2 to 4, 52. Okay, so it's 52. Now 52 minus 65. So it will be 65 minus 52. So 3 and 1. So 13. So here 13 log 2. 65 minus 52 log 2, that equal to 13 log 2. And here plus log 5. Then 12 log 3. And here minus 12 log 3. Then minus 12 log 2. Okay, as here log a into b means log a plus log b. So log 3 plus log 2, but as here minus, so it will be minus 12 log 3 minus 12 log 2. Now 12 log 3, 12 log 3 will cancel out. So here 13 log 2 minus 12 log 2, it will be only 1 log 2, and then plus log 5. So log 2 plus log 5, that means log 2 into 5, it's 10, and that equal to 1. So it's a little bit tough problem. So if you listen my words carefully, and if you practice this sum again and again, then you will be definitely solve this sum. Okay, so try to practice this one again and again. Okay, next one, sum number 8. So here 2 log 10 5, then plus log 10 8 minus half log 10 4. Okay, the previous one was little bit tough problem, but this one maybe it's a easy problem. Okay, and my dear students, if you like my video, please share this video with your friends and with your neighbors and anyone. Okay, so here the next one, and this is the last one for this video. So here 2 log 10 5. Now here 10 means base, so log 10 and 2 will be here, so 5 square. Next one log 10 base 8, and after that log 10 base, as here half means 4 to the power half. Now 4 to the power half means root 4. Root 4 equal to 2. So that means you can write here log 2. Okay. Now as all the log has same base 10, 10, 10, that means when there is a plus, when there is a addition, so it will be multiplication in numerator. So 5 square into 8. And as here subtraction, so it will be 2. And here log base 10. So log base 10, that means here 25. So 25 into 4, 25 into 4, it will be 100. So that will be 100 directly. Okay, now next one, log 10, and it's called 10 square. So that means 2 log 10 10. 2 log 10 10, that equal to 2 into 1. So it's 2. Okay, so there is a formula. If log a equal to a, that means these two number will be equal, then the value will be always 1. That is a separate formula. If log these two number will be equal, then equal to 1. As here 10 10, so that equal to 1. So 2 into 1, it's 2.